I feel really uncomfortable. Surely this is for a child.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying.
I'm not really like satisfied with that sip, so if we can put a different fake sip over the top of that.
Yeah, here we go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another video where I did a little bit of shopping, trying to justify it by doing a haul because I'm telling myself that people care about that, but do they really care? I don't know. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys actually like hauls. Comment down below where your favorite place to shop has been during quarantine. Can I say Uber Eats? Anyways, by now I'm sure you've seen a couple of these pieces of clothing on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I always reply to comments over there, so come say hey. I always reply to my comments. Let's just get into the haul. I feel like I'm talking a lot. Let's.
We go back, we go back, we go back.
Alright, kicking it off with Asos. I love shopping on there because they really just have something for anyone, every budget. Have you ever been onto Asos and clicked showing the most expensive first?
No.
Oh, she's like expensive. I was like, girl, who's buying stuff on Asos so that expensive? I like to switch it up and put lowest price to highest price. So, first things first, I don't wear jeans anymore after staying at home, so I got some sweatpants. Honestly, I kind of wanted to tie-dye my own sweatpants, but the tie-dye kits are sold out at my craft store, so we had to improvise and just buy some tie-dye sweatpants. They're very cute. Not maximum levels of comfy. They're by the brand Misguided. That's probably why. I just like looked at this. There's no way y'all are gonna be able to see this. I really wasn't trying to throw too much shade on Misguided, but like the thread like sews down the back of the pants. Anyways, seeing as I definitely swapped out like even leggings, I don't even wear leggings anymore. That's like too uncomfortable for me. I seem to have swapped out every pair of pants for sweatpants. I thought I would pick up some more just to add to my collection. I do promise that this is my last pair of sweatpants that I'm going to show in this video, but I also got these ones. I feel like the color is not very accurate on camera. They're definitely like a neon green, but I feel like it just doesn't look the way it looks on the camera. They're like cute, but they're very long, so I have to like fold them like this to wear them and then still be cute, but it works. Okay, next up, I feel like I've been watching too much TikTok and I have currently fashion TikTok on my page. So everyone is wearing like pastel. So I got this little pastel top, which is not the best quality, but I don't have to wear a bra with it, which is like my favorite thing that's ever happened in this whole universe. So this is super cute. She's yellow. She's got some little flowers on her. I think it was pretty cheap. It's by the brand Monkey. But yeah, she's double-lined over the boob area. We love. This next one, I'm probably gonna hand over to Kane Foster because I ordered it in a size small, but like, she's definitely not a small. I knew that it was oversized, like it definitely said oversized on the listing, but like, come on, this is a different level of oversized. This is not a small. Wow. Hey. I'm kind of bummed though because it's like my favorite colors. She's got a little print on the back. It's gonna look great on Kane.
Thanks, pal. No, I hate this next one.
This one? You hate it?
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
Oh, is it?
Are you being serious?
Didn't we talk about you returning that?
No, I already wore it like 3 times.
Oh, that's awkward. I'm kidding, by the way, pal.
I feel like in a video like a month ago I said that I feel like tie-dye is nearly over, but here I am buying all this tie-dye stuff. So I found this hoodie, which is also like my favorite colors. Like it mixes in with like my bedroom. Anyway, I got this tie-dye hoodie. It's actually super comfy. I feel like the biggest thing with Asos is they low-key don't know if the brand that you're ordering from is good quality, but she's like good quality. So I really want to put it on, but it's like hot as freaking here. Tie-dye squad! Okay, that was lame. This next thing, I really thought that I was like onto something, you know, like Brandy Melville, cute like t-shirt vibes. They kind of look like the t-shirt is a child's t-shirt, but like it's cute still. It's like a crop top t-shirt. I feel like I wear these in my videos sometimes. So that's what I thought that this was gonna be. And then I took it out of the package and I was like, what is that? And then I put it on my freaking body and it was even worse. So I just like don't actually know. I don't know, but it looks like a little kid's top and I like
a stable relationship by a horse.
Like I don't know if I ordered this.
Look at the sleeves and the neck pal.
I feel really uncomfortable. Like surely this is for a child. Look at the way it's like. I'm just gonna put that over there.
Is that the bin pile?
As I'm sure you guys can relate, staying home, wearing sweatpants, wearing your pajamas 24/7, I have zero desire to put on a pair of jeans onto my body. So I got these baggy, they literally say baggy jeans from Zara so that I can feel like when I'm dressing up, I'm still wearing sweatpants. I even got them in a size up so the experience was that much more comfortable. And honestly, I feel like it was a solid choice by me. I feel like I did really well on that one. I put a pair of shorts on for this video, guys, and I literally can't wait to take them off. There's that. Kind of following not wanting to wear sweatpants, I also don't want to wear bras. This has changed me, y'all. Anyway, so I got this. It's like a little tie-dye bander. Honestly, kind of reminds me of this, which I have a bra on with. She doesn't work with no bra, but this one does, so I'm really excited about it. That's all I have to say about that. This video is a little embarrassing because I feel like I'm showing my real self, but the colors are cute. I promise that this looks cute on. It would probably look cuter if I tied it up, but I just don't have that in me right now. I took this out of the package and was like, so that was not gonna work. And I was like, give it a chance.
Who was like, what?
None. Anyway, this is cute. Here's a photo of me wearing it. Stunning. Ooh, it's cute, I swear.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we go
Next up, all of this stuff is from Revolve. I need to stop throwing the peace sign in this video. It's making me cringe. Sorry. Like, look at this. Look at me half holding the peace sign up while I explain. I'm sorry for holding the peace sign up. I'm sorry. This stuff is from Revolve. It's now I'm just pointing. Like now I just have pointer fingers because I don't know what to do with my hands. Something else that I'm realizing is that the lack of social interaction in this whole environment of 2020 is making me an awkward person. I was already awkward.
Sarah.
Yeah?
Without being rude, these are the ugliest shorts I think I've ever
They're
seen.
not ugly. They're super cute.
Yeah, no, they're comfortable.
No, they're super cute.
No,
this
they're
was
not.
like at the beach, like comfy.
Really?
Yes.
Like, whatever like you wore in the overlay, I was like, oh, that really doesn't work out well. Like I feel like Sarah has really good outfits usually in the overlays, but this one really wasn't going great.
I got these shorts by the brand Privacy Please. I personally think that they're really cute and they would look really cute at the beach or something, or like in bed because they're comfy as frick.
Do you know what you need when you wear them? Privacy Please, because you shouldn't be seen.
Channeling my inner Adeline, I got this yellow dress. I honestly never wear yellow that often. I say that as I feel like this is like a yellowy orangey color in here, but it's fine. I don't really wear solid yellow stuff though. And this is super cute. I also got a yellow bikini, so am I trying to be Adeline? Possibly. I got a yellow bikini. If you guys watched my bikini collection video, you would know that I don't really wear bikinis that aren't high-rise because I have a little mole on my stomach that makes me feel kind of uncomfortable because someone used to always pretend that they were gonna vomit when I was younger. It used to make me really uncomfortable, but I told you guys that I was gonna try and start wearing low-rise and get over that. So we got a little low-rise. She's kind of cheeky. Let's move on. I also got a sarong, which is so random, but I feel like it'll look really cute with the yellow bikini that I just showed you guys. Why are you laughing? No phones in this video because you are distracting me, pal. Why are you laughing? Kane, please don't send that to anyone. Please don't send it to anyone.
If anyone wants to purchase some feet pics or feet videos of Sarah, hit me up on Instagram, kane.foster. It's a new business of mine that I'm starting up. I've even got my own feet. I'm kidding.
Sorry guys, Kane is being so freaking annoying. Anyways, I don't really wear sarongs, but I just felt like this would look... Kane, stop laughing! I'm just gonna have to continue and I'm probably gonna keep laughing because Kane is laughing. I got a sarong. I didn't really wear sarongs, but I felt like it'd look really cute with the yellow bikini and I was right. She's very cute. I feel like sarongs kind of remind me of something that like moms wear on vacation because like they don't want to show their body, even though they just should go off and freaking show their body. But now apparently they're a Sarah thing. I really had to try and swallow so I didn't laugh. Moving on. Why do I say it like that? I'm gonna cut it out. I got this top actually a couple of months ago. It's a bikini top. I never got the bottoms to it because I don't know why. I just wanted to wear this as a crop top, but I wear this all the time. So I finally got the bikini bottoms, which kind of look like there's not much fabric, but they work out and they're not too cheeky. And then we got one of my favorite things, which is this little matching. I said matching because I also have the matching top to this, but I don't know where it is. So I got this skirt. It has a matching top. It's really cute. I just said the word cute and it made me realize that I probably said the word cute 100 times in this video, and now I'm just like, do I start again? Anyways, I got this skirt. I feel like with the crochet bikini top that I showed you guys, I found this top and I just like didn't really think about it when I was ordering it. She looks kind of like she's not gonna show too much, but it's like kind of a see-through material, and I don't really know what kind of bra slash bralette to wear with this, but I love it. It's so pretty, but if you move, you will show your entire boob. If you guys have any ideas on what I can wear underneath, let me know. In the overlays, I like moved a little bit for 2 seconds and then I saw all of my boob and I was like, ooh. We got another top. It's red. It's off the shoulder. She's cute. Looks nice with like black jeans or a white skirt. I got some super cute boots. They're from City Beach. Everyone always asks me, I do have a pair of dogs that Kane bought me in a video recently, but everyone always thinks that when I wear these shoes, I had a pair in black, but I broke them. Now I got these white ones. They always think that they're dogs. They're not. They're like $40. I wear mine to the point where the whole entire sole of the shoe comes off, but I figured I'd buy them again anyway because they're actually super comfortable, and even though the sole came off of my black pair that I had of these, I don't think that I'm gonna get as much use out of the white pair, so it shouldn't come off. I wore the black pair of these to Coachella last year. Everyone just thought I had docs on, and I'm so lucky that the bottom of them did not fall off at Coachella because it was like the only pair of shoes I wore at Coachella. Also from City Beach, they always have like a lot of sales, so I got this for $19, half price. Actually, I think it was $19 and then it also was marked down further. It is a skirt. It's like very, very short. If it was a skirt, you literally wouldn't be able to wear it, but it's short, so it doesn't really matter, and it's so cute. They had it in white, but they didn't have it in my size. It's literally so pretty. And then also on the same sale rack, they had these little shorts, which kind of remind me of a pair of pants that Kane wears all the time, but it's fine. Like besties who match their outfits together.
Stay besties together.
Stay besties together.
Full stop.
Okie doke. That, can I not say the word okie doke in a video? I don't want people to realize how lame I actually am. Okie doke. I'm like literally so hot, but I just wanted to wear my new hoodie in this video. Yeah. Let me know where I should be shopping online. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know where you shop during isolation. If you guys want to chat, come say hey on Instagram because I always reply to comments over there. My handle is @SarahJaneBets. I'm also going to start posting on TikTok heaps, so if you guys want to follow me, I can't remember what my handle is, but I'll put it on the screen, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Your next video.
Video. Everyone always says I say video like video. All the comments are like, yeah, Sarah, you do. Okay, bye.